When pages in your sketchbook go wrong, don't tear them out. Here's what to do instead. Hi, I'm Anna Mason. Welcome to this episode of Nature Studio TV, here to help you become the artist you want to be. If you keep a sketchbook and something's gone wrong on a page, it can feel tempting to rip it out and pretend it never happened, but that's really the worst thing you can do. Let's face it, mistakes will happen because nobody's perfect. In almost every sketchbook, there will always be pages that go wrong and that we're less pleased with. I often find that mistakes can be worked on and changes made to improve a page, but it's also good practice to learn how to tolerate imperfect pages for what they are, a necessary part to any artistic practice. No, a necessary part of life. And an opportunity to be kind to yourself, to remind yourself that the unsatisfactory page doesn't really matter. I created a sketch I didn't like in my monochrome sketchbook. I had been working with just black paint in that book, but wanted to try another colour. I chose Potter's Pink, but as I worked with it, it just wasn't looking right, so I added in some extra colours. It still didn't look the way I wanted it to, and my attempts to improve it ended up making it worse. So I decided to call it a day. It was a bit frustrating, so I decided to do the equivalent of jumping back on the horse and did a quick monochrome sketch in black, which I knew usually works. That was really fun and very quick, and it had me feeling much better. So in that positive frame of mind, I was better able to engage my left brain to assess what had gone wrong with my last sketch and how I could avoid doing the same in future. I grabbed the sketchbook I used to test things out and I played with different paints, imagining that I was making a monochrome painting. They worked except for Potter's Pink, which was too granulated. I realised I'd had two issues. I'd tried using a paint that granulated too much, so didn't give me the look I wanted. Then I tried to fix it by adding other colours, which stopped the sketch being monochrome. But it wasn't true to life colour either, and that just left it looking messy. So I decided to, at least for a while, stick with just one suitable paint for this sketchbook style. Another thing you can do if you're getting lots of pages you dislike is to consider that you might be suffering from a dose of negativity bias, and instead shift your focus to looking for the elements within a sketch which you're not too unhappy with. Try to soften your appraisal of your work. And you can also try reviewing the whole of the sketchbook or even a set of 3 full sketchbooks. You will notice improvement over time, especially if you take a structured approach to developing your skills, which is exactly what Nature Studio members can do. If you've enjoyed this mini class, please subscribe to Nature Studio TV, then pop over to naturestudio.com where you can sign up for a free class and find a whole heap of free resources to help you capture the beauty of nature on your paper. Thanks for watching, and if you want to find out more about my art school, Nature Studio, and the free class that's waiting for you there, keep watching. If you haven't taken your free full-length watercolour class yet, you're missing out. Step by step, I'll guide you through painting a 3D pear that looks real enough to pick up and eat. I'll explain not just what to do, but why, so you'll learn a reliable method you can use for painting all kinds of subjects that make your heart sing. You'll discover that you're already a better artist than you thought, and like thousands of others who painted their free pear before you, this discovery might just ignite a spark in you that wants to take this further. Which is where Nature Studio membership comes in. Joining gives you access to hundreds more classes that'll help you develop your skills and grow as an artist. And in addition to the classes, when you join, you become part of a global community of like-minded creatives who can support you and offer you feedback if and when you need it. Get the free pear class now and enjoy discovering wherever it takes you next.